Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing very delicious recipe to cover your breakfast. We are making stuffed biscuit. It has sausage, egg, cheese wrapped up in a biscuit dough, and then we're gonna bake it. And this one little package is a complete meal itself. Serve it with a side of juice or chai or coffee. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First, in a cooking pan, I am spraying some oil and start cooking patties, sausage patties, and I am using Morningstar plant-based veggie sausage patty, which I always use. In a separate bowl, I have eggs, milk, seasoning it with some salt and black pepper, and mix until eggs are completely mixed through with the milk and it get a little frothy. Then in the same pan, I am transferring this mixture and I will scramble the eggs. I already shared the scrambled egg recipe with you guys and I will share the link down below for you. Just make sure you don't overcook the eggs or the sausage patty as well, because we will bake them later on. Put it on the side and let it cool a little bit. Here I have a cookie sheet lined with some foil. You can do it with parchment paper as well. Now let's talk about biscuit. Today I'm using store-bought, but I already shared the recipe for homemade biscuits as well, and I will link that down below. Now stretch the biscuit dough like so, add scrambled eggs, shredded cheddar cheese, and put the patty on top. Start pulling the hanging edges of the biscuit dough and overlap with the other edge like so. Make sure your sausage patty is completely covered. Just roll the dough again, like shape it again and put it on your prepared sheet. Repeat the same process with the remaining sausage, biscuits and egg. And in the end, I'm just brushing some melted butter on top of the biscuit. This will give a nice golden top on our biscuits. Oven is already preheated on 350 degrees and I will bake them for 15 to 18 minutes or until biscuits are done and get that nice golden top. And here you have stuffed biscuit ready to serve. In just one bite, you will enjoy that meaty flavor of sausage, egg, melted cheese, and crispy and buttery biscuit. If you were worried what to make over this weekend, I got you covered. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.